Hey guys, Halloween guy back with another video. Today I'm doing a review on the Avon animated Halloween dog. This thing with a pain in the ass. I tried replacing the split gear in here. I don't have a replacement gear for it, so I tried gluing it, which obviously didn't work. But then when I put it back together, the arm gear broke for the arm, for it to do that. But I went inside it was split in half, completely split in half. It was fine before. But anyway, so I tried putting it back together. I messed it up a couple times. Almost couldn't figure out how to put it back together, but then I finally managed to piece this thing together. I don't know how. I'm not even gonna bother putting the cloth back in it because it's just, this thing is a piece of crap. And it doesn't even look right because I don't think the stuffing is in there is right. So yeah, all I can do is get it to bob up and down and move one ear, so it's not right. You know, I'll play it for you, and I'm ending it. Yeah, it was cool though. And I don't find the Halloween items that just didn't go well that much. But I found this. Anyway, that's it for the video. Bye guys.